Hey guys, Trevor from WFO here. Today I want to show you 3 new steering kits we have for the Ford 05 and up Super Duty axles. As everybody knows, the 05 and up Ford Super Duty axle is the axle of choice for any solid axle swaps now. Toyotas, Rangers, whatever rock crawler you're building, this is the axle everybody's using these days. So what we came up with is a universal Draglink kit so that when you get your core Dana 60, you can hook your steering up on your project. So let me show you how it's going to work out. So first off, you remove the factory Draglink. Hopefully you have an axle that has a good tie rod on it, good tie rod ends, and also comes with the factory Draglink end here. So if you're not aware of it, the factory Ford Draglink end comes all the way through the knuckle and bolts on the bottom. It's a really long stud here. So you need the factory Draglink end to use the factory tie rod. So we built our kit to maintain these factory parts and then basically build off of the factory Draglink end up to whatever steering box or pitman arm you have. So the first thing is the kit comes with a jam nut and a tube insert. And so the jam nut will thread right on here. This is an 1 1/16 right hand thread. And then the tube insert threads right on here as well. And this tube insert is set up to run 1 3/4 quarter wall DOM tubing. So here's where it comes down to 3 kits. So our first kit, the WFO 3104, comes with the lower pieces, a piece of tubing, and a Moog double pivot Chevy Draglink end. This is the ES 2027. So this is if you want to run a tapered Draglink end up at your pitman arm. The second kit, which I think is going to be the most common, will come with the lower pieces, the piece of tubing, which this is extra long, slides into this tube insert right here, and then a chromoly 7/8 Heim joint with 3/4 misalignment spacers. And so this would go right in here, and then you would drill your pitman arm straight out to 3/4, and then that's how much travel you get out of your Heim joint. So you would lengthen or you would shorten this tube if you had a vehicle with a steering box inside the frame, or the tube is long enough in case you have like a Toyota Tacoma or something where the box is outside the frame. Now the third and final upgrade or option with the kit would be the 3106. So the 3106 basically trades out the standard chromoly Heim joint for an FK 3-piece chromoly Heim joint, so you have the best of the best. So if you're trying to fit a Super Duty axle in another Ford, in a Chevy, in a Toyota, whatever you're doing, go to our website, go to the suspension section, and then look up Ford Super Duty parts, and these 3 kits will be in there and you'll be able to purchase them. Piece of tubing, 2 tube inserts, all the ends you need, all the hardware you need. See ya.